If you're one of the millions of people worldwide that loves to ride e-bikes and e-scooters, then you need to check out the latest releases by Swagtron. The convenience and engineering is revolutionizing the last mile industry. The first is the Swagtron Swagger 5-folding electric scooter. This scooter is perfect for riding around the city, reaching speeds of 18 miles per hour, right up to 3.5 hours or 11 miles on a single charge. It's lightweight, it's durable, and it can be folded and tucked inside of a trunk or in a small space in your home or office. Next is the Cali Drift scooter. This is designed with fun in mind, with a state-of-the-art lithium-ion battery that lasts up to 9 miles for drifting and cruising. Feel the excitement as you lean into the curve. The tri-wheel design improves stability and maximizes safety. And then there's the impressive EB7 electric bike. This zero-emissions and all-electric e-bike has a rechargeable battery with enough power to last up to 40 miles and all the features of a traditional bike. You are in full control of your maximum speed as pedaling can advance far past the electric speeds of 15.5 miles per hour. It's lightweight and foldable, so it's perfect for riders of all sizes and easily stows in small places. Join the revolution at swagtron.com.